Hi, I'm Arpitha. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to take care of your denim clothing. Denims are important garments in most people's wardrobe. There are pre-washed denims, raw denims, and stretch denims. Every type of jeans or every type of your denim clothing require different care. Let's talk about pre-washed denims that are the regular ones you see in a store. Your typical jeans do not need much wash unless it is dirty or stained. You may wash them around 2 to 4 months once, depending on how often you wear them. Personally, I don't wash my jeans unless it looks very dirty. It may be 10 to 15 or more times of wearing it. Let's see what are the experts saying.
These jeans are maybe a year old, and these have yet to see a washing machine.
How often should you wash your blue jeans, Chip?
Not very often. If you talk to real denim aficionados, they'll tell you don't wash your blue jeans.
Hey Tommy, how's it going?
Hey, how are you?
What's the longest you've worn one pair of jeans without washing them?
I never wash my Levi's.
Oh, so for like a week or no?
No, like months.
The more you wash your denim, the more faded they will become. Unless you want that faded look, don't wash them. I understand that everyone may not like the idea of not washing their denims. That takes me to my tip number 2. How to keep your jeans without bad smell in between the wears. Spray some fabric spray on your jeans and hang them to air dry. Nowadays, there are disinfectant fabric sprays with very good smell available in the market. I pulled out a product link for you to try. You can even fold the jeans on the reverse side and place it in the freezer for overnight. That will remove the odor causing bacteria and you're good to go. Tip number 3 is wash in cold water. When you wash the denims in cold water, it will prevent the color transfer. It also keeps the fibers in the fabric close. If your denims have become very dirty or they have mud on them, soak them for some time. Remove the stains by hand before putting them in the washing machine. New denims may have some color left on them if they are not pre-washed denims. It is a good idea to wash the new denim clothes before wearing them. How you prepare your jeans before putting them in the washing machine is very important. Turn them inside out when you put them for wash. Button up or zip them up. Check the pockets for any unwanted things in there. Trust me, if you miss a paper inside, it's a very bad picture after the wash. Avoid bleach as it will remove the color of your denim. You can use any kind of regular mild detergent to wash your denim clothing. I generally use Gentle liquid wash as it is convenient, keeps the fabric soft and priced reasonably. After washing, make sure to remove the creases, straighten it out and hang them to dry. That way, there will be less wrinkles and will have longer life. Let's talk about the raw denim. These denims do not come with a pre-washed look on them. They are completely plain and dark blue denims. These denims will bleed color. You need to add a little detergent into the water and then soak these denims in for at least 30 minutes. After that, wash them under the tap or just rinse them in the plain water. Just wring them a little, as much as needed. You don't have to wring them very tightly. Then put them for air dry. Wherever you are drying, just check the place is convenient for the denims. They are not transferring the color to the background. Coming to the stretch denims, these denims can be washed similar to the pre-washed denims. These denims basically have elastin in them, a little bit of stretch, So when you are washing them, make sure you're not putting them in the dryer, or if you are washing them with hand, don't wring them very tightly because the elastin will break over the time and the fit of the garment will change. Now that we spoke about how to wash them, let's talk about ironing. When you iron your stretch jeans, the elastin present in it will get damaged, and over time the garment will lose its shape. If you hang the jeans while you are taking hot shower, the wrinkles will come down from the steam in the bathroom. You can also use garment steamers to get rid of the wrinkles. If you have noticed, shop helpers keep steaming the garments instead of ironing in the clothing store. So basically, hard ironing is a big no. What problems do you face while washing your jeans? Tell them in the comment section. If you have any questions regarding denim care, ask them in the comment section. I will answer them in the short video soon. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and the bell next to it. Watch the deep industry knowledge about denims over here. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.